single day. I'm gonna make something great.
Subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get the updates instantaneously. Hello everyone and welcome to MHC Tech Talks. In today's video, we are going to do the unboxing of Asus Zenfone Max Pro M2. So guys, I have the box with me right now, and this is the best time right now to purchase this phone because they have given a permanent price cut of around 2000 for this one. So this version which I am having right now is 3GB 32GB version, and the box price printed over here is roughly around 16,000, but I got it for 10,000 rupees via Flipkart. So this is the box itself. So I'll just quickly give you the specifications of this one. So let's talk about the specification of this phone. So this phone is 6.23 inches. The dimension of this phone is 6.3 inches roughly, and it has got Snapdragon 610 processor clocked at 1.95 gigahertz. This one has got 3GB of internal memory, 32GB of internal storage. Apart from that, it has got full HD plus display. So these are all the basic specifications for this one. This one has got 5000 mAh battery, which is something very great, and the processor which I was talking about is of 14 nanometer, is based on 14 nanometer technology. So firstly, I'll quickly remove this shrimp packaging over here. So let's remove it. So I've just removed this, and I must say the packaging is great from Asus over here it is written. So I'll just remove this. So it says "We love photo." So I'll just let's see what are all the contents inside it. So I have the phone itself here. We'll keep the phone aside for now. Let's find out what all other box contents they have provided in this one. So this is the phone charger and the charging cable itself. Apart from this, we don't have anything. We'll keep all this stuff aside. So the charger is not a fast charger, I believe. So the ratings of this one is 5 volts 2 ampere charger. So this one is 5 volts 2 ampere charger, and we have this micro USB cable with this. Apart from that, I believe we might also get a transparent TPU case with this one. So this is something good from Asus Zenfone. So these are all the box contents. I'll quickly set up the phone and I'll show you like what are the pros and cons of this phone. The phone really looks very good at first instance, so I'll just quickly set up the phone. I've already set up the phone. I will quickly give you the physical overview of this phone. So this phone has got a very good display. The size of this display is 6.3 inches. It has got notch over here which has the sensors, the LED light over here, flash, and the camera itself. So they have provided a lot of great features over here. So if I talk about on the right hand side, we have the volume rockers and the power button. On the left hand side, we have the SIM tray, and the good thing is we have dedicated micro SD card slot in this one. At the back side, we have the camera, 13 plus 5 megapixel dual real camera with the flash. This is the fingerprint scanner and Asus branding at the back. So this is all we have. At top we have the noise cancellation mic, and at the bottom we have the headphone jack, 3.5mm headphone jack, the charging cable, and the speakers. So this is the physical overview of this phone, and I must say the fingerprint sensor is very much responsive. So this was a quick unboxing and quick overview of this phone. So if you guys like this video, please give a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, please do subscribe to our channel, and I will be doing the in-depth analysis of this phone very quickly. So thanks guys, thanks for watching, and I will see you guys in next one.